Hey guys, today we got a nice cab high fiberglass top by ARE. Fits the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. Has a little bit of scratches on it. You can barely see these right here, but some minor scratches. Little paint chip right there. The top looks pretty good. Top edge, there's a little bit of a scuff mark right there. And then a little bit of a scuff mark right here. Front edge looks really nice. Bottom has a little bit of a scratch right there. Bottom edge looks pretty decent on this one. A little bit of paint chips right there. This one has the half side sliders in the side. Front has a little bit of paint chips right there, and then you've got some, I don't know how hard these are going to be able to see there, where they've been touched up right through there. I'm not sure the paint really matched, but previous owner did what they had. Looks like they had a wear mark. They probably hit the back of the cab with this, or I don't know. But anyway, it's been touched up there. Top looks pretty decent. It has a couple chips right there, you can see, and then one back here behind the brake light. Another one right here, and then a couple more on this side that haven't been touched up, and a little bit of a wear mark right through there on this side. Other than that, the front end looks pretty good. Has the picture front window. The top and the top edge on this side look pretty good. Small chip right there. Another small chip right there. Back looks really good. Back edge here looks pretty good. A couple small scuffs right here, and then right there. But the bottom edge looks really good on this side as well. A couple scratches right there. And it does have a little bit of a small crack right there. I'm not really sure. Maybe something was hit, or when they took it off the truck, they laid it down on something, or who knows. Half side sliders on this side as well. This one does have the double T-handle locking rear door. Inside is just a bare fiberglass. Screens on this unit are in good shape. Small hole right there on this one. Other than that, not too bad. It has sliding windows on the side. Picture window in the front. Sliding window on this side as well. Small little hole in the screen right there. This one is the was specifically made for the 16 Ford F-150 Super Cab with a 6.5 foot bed. So that'll fit the it is ruby red effect, which is an upcharge red color. This one is built for action, but it is an ARE unit. So there it is, cab high fiberglass ARE V series. Fits the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Ruby red. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, sign up, find out which location it is, how much it is, pay for it online, make arrangements to pick it up. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, that can be all purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our stores.